Hello, aspiring marketers. Are you sick and tired of not getting tons of high-paying customers to boost your sales and profits? And to overcome this, are you searching for the most proven and tested strategies to achieve your objectives? Then it's time to take a breather. As of today, I'm going to spill the beans on the most trending online marketing platform, YouTube, where every minute 400 hours of video content gets uploaded, which you can use to drive tons of targeted visitors to your offers without spending a fortune. Fascinating, right? This is just the beginning of the story. Let's check out some interesting numbers that will get you glued to YouTube marketing. By 2020, online videos will make up more than 80% of all consumer internet traffic. More than 1 billion people visit YouTube every month. 70% of marketers say that YouTube videos convert more than any other content. 51% of US marketers advertise on YouTube. The average mobile viewing session on YouTube lasts more than 40 minutes. Whoosh! These results are surely going to sweep you off your feet. And I know you're feeling lured to reap the immense benefits that YouTube marketing holds for your business. Wait, hold on for just a second. The grass is not always greener on the other side. To become successful, you need proper information that is proven and tested, as well as keeps you in good shape and saves you from losing your time and money. Don't worry, here's an easy and proven system to add this ultimate video marketing giant to your marketing mix and take your business to Cloud 9. Presenting YouTube Marketing 2018 Training Guide. This step-by-step training guide will take you by the hand and teach you how to effectively target your desired audience by creating engaging YouTube marketing campaigns. With its proper use, you can easily boost the authority of your website and demonstrate expertise in your niche. And, most importantly, you can use advanced YouTube marketing strategies to drive tons of laser-targeted traffic to your offers and get more leads, sales, and profits. Plus, you don't need to be a hardcore techie to get these benefits. Even a non-tech guy can use this with no problem. Folks, it's time to break the monotony and lay your hands on this jam-packed YouTube Marketing 2018 Training Guide so you can steal the spotlight from your competitors like you've always wanted. A word of caution. The price will shoot up to its original soon. I wish you a profitable and successful business ahead.